So I have my key for the bookmark. I have the wing and the tassel and the gear for inside, and then from my stash I pulled the Handmade with Love and this little silver music note. And the rest is so easy. You will be thrilled. So the only one that we have to put a jump ring on is the bookmark, and I will show you here. You take the jump ring, and this came from the BeeBeecraft kit, and this also, I showed you how to put one of these on. This is a 5/8, I think it's a 5/8 inch ribbon holder. That one's a 3/4 inch ribbon holder, and I'll show you what came in. It comes in a kit like this, and this is enough to like keep you happy forever. So lots of ribbon holders here, and it comes in a kit like this, so definitely a must-have if you want to do bookmarks like this. So you take your, and I've showed you how to do this before, you just crimp it on. You stick it on there and you crimp. Here, I'll show you how to do one just in case you don't know. I'll do this size since I have this ribbon laying here. You just cut the ribbon, and I'm going to cut it fairly long because I don't know what I'm going to put this on yet. I'm not going to waste it. And you find the right size top, and because there are so many in here, you're going to find the right size. And I think that's it, right? It's about a 1/4 inch. Okay, and then you take, if it's a, this one's textured, so you don't have to worry about the outside of it. If you have one that's not textured, you're going to want to cover it with some kind of foam or tissue or something so that you don't damage it when you crimp it. So I'm just going to get a pair of needle nose pliers. I've misplaced my needle nose pliers, guys. My room is a disaster right now because of the cleaning I've been doing. The destashing and all that good stuff. All I can find is my snips. So I'm going to use those. Not the best idea. You can definitely be better off using a pair of pliers. I can't find them, so. It doesn't take a whole lot of pressure, so I'm not worried about this, you know, breaking or cutting through this. So you can see it's already started to close a little bit. You put this on, hold it in place, and crimp down. Now before you finish crimping all the way down, you make sure that that's where you want it. And crimp down on both sides. Like I said, it's easier with a pair of pliers so that you're not worried about damaging it, or a pair of jewelry pliers, but that's how easy it is, and you have yourself a nice bookmark. I always glue it into the book spine there and cover it up with a couple layers of something to keep it in there, and now you have a nice place to hang it off. If you want to just make a bookmark with this, you can. You don't have to put it in, you know, in a book. So, alright, now I have lost my jump ring. I have managed to lose, oh, nope, there it is. Okay, so then, again, this is easier with a pair of pliers. Separate your jump ring. Put one through the keyhole or whatever charm you're using. You put one through the bookmark, Oops. And if this is too much, like there's not a whole lot of room there to wiggle, let's go ahead and get another jump ring. So there's two layers of jump ring. Because what that does is that, like, that was pretty tight. If we use two, we'll have a little bit of wiggle room. We don't have to worry about trying to fit both of those things in at the same time. So that one can go around here and just close that up. Make sure that it's closed all the way or else your stuff will fall off. Okay. And then we'll put the other jump ring through here. And now we don't have to worry about trying to fit this bigger piece and the key ring bigger piece through one. And we just got the jump ring thickness on there. The other thing you can do is use a lobster clasp if you want. Let's put it through here first. There we go. Put that on there. And then close it up. Make sure that it's closed up nice and sealed so that it doesn't come apart. And again, it would be easier if I had another pair of pliers to do that. Okay, so there we go. Nice and sealed, not coming off. And you have this awesome bookmark. Okay, now let's do some of the charms I have set aside here. And this is super simple. In the middle of each of your signatures, if you do it the way that I do it, you have a string, two strings, hang off just like this. Take the longer of the two and thread like this. This is not a charm, this is just a gear. You can glue it on to stuff and, you know, mixed media and stuff like that. But you can also tie it right to your signature and just do a knot. And it's going to stay there. There we go. Okay, and you can trim off your excess. That's a nice flat embellishment to have in there. Go to your next signature. It's here somewhere. Here we go. These ones, oh, these ones aren't very long. Let's do the little music note. Seemingly have lost my tassel. So I'll link all the cool CC BeeBeecraft stuff. I'll link all the cool BeeBeecraft stuff below. Go. And then the middle of the next signature, here it is. Found my tassel. Let's go ahead and put that in there. Again, you just tie it, knot. So you could have put the tassel on the end of that bookmark and put the key on one of the pages because it is fairly flat. There we go. Next signature. See, this is super simple, you guys. No jewelry making skills necessary. these are pretty long. Let's put the wing here. The other thing you can do is you can tie the two together. Let's go ahead and do that. So I have my wing hanging here. You just tie the two in a knot right there. That's not going anywhere. And cut. So that's another way you can do it. And then the last signature, we're going to put this handmade with love. Alright, that's it. That's all we got. Super simple way to embellish your book with a custom bookmark and some charms between your signatures. Alright guys, you have a great day. Head on over to BeeBeecraft.com. I will link everything below in the description box. Have a great day. Bye-bye.